It's 1006.
What, really?
Yeah, kick his ass, Snapper.
Yay!
That doesn't seem right. Wait! Nappa!
What?
I had the scouter upside down. It's over 9,000.
Wait, what? But you killed Piccolo.
And your point is...
Well, if he's dead, the Dragon Balls don't work.
What?
Oh, and I totally killed that guy. Vegeta?
He's gone! He's finally gone! I'm so happy right now. I might not even slaughter you all.
Really?
Oh no, you're all thoroughly screwed.
Oh.
Are you absolutely sure you...
Yes, I'm entirely sure. I'm going to obliterate you and the rest of this planet myself with my own two...
Ooh, I like both those things.
I'm going to start beating you now. I don't know when I'll stop.
Hopefully before dinner, because I told Gohan to tell Chi-Chi
Ha! What's wrong, Kakarot? Can't keep up! And...
Kaioken times 3!
Times what? This proves nothing. Yeah, I'm fan-freaking-tastic. Nothing but gumdrops and ice cream in here. I'm surrounded by idiots.
I thought you were surrounded by gumdrops and ice cream.
I will not stand for this! I will not be humiliated by a low-class wretch!
Ice cream headache.
That's it! Everyone dies! Of course not! I'm freaking evil! Garlic gun!
Ooh, did he say garlic? Oh, man!
Kaioken time!